What is going on, guys? Cody from KHC here, and in today's video, episode 3 of the Project F450, what we will be doing is installing our MBRP exhaust and our SMB intake. Now, we did just finish the full 4-inch wicked lift kit with the Fox shocks all around, but enough talking. Let's get this thing back in the shop over to Zach so we can get the intake and the exhaust installed, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Well, guys, there you go. MBRP exhaust is installed. SMB cold air intake is installed. Now, I left out one little detail, guys. We ended up with a TSO manufacturing exhaust tip with the powder coat white to match the rest of the truck. Well, guys, that is the end of episode 3 where we deal with all the performance parts. We have our MBRP exhaust installed, SMB cold air intake installed. We have the TSO exhaust tip also installed. What is up next? We have lighting coming up. So stay tuned for episode 4 where we install a couple little lights here and there. And coming up soon, we're gonna have the finale with the wheel reveal. So guys, leave a like, comment down below of what you thought about this episode. And as always, subscribe to the KHC family, and I'll see you guys in the next one.